Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Mr. Corby. For today's video, I will show to you how to create actual wiring diagram of one bulb controlled by one single pole switch. And without further ado, let's get started. First, let's have our devices, the bulb, the single pole switch. As you can see here, this is the back portion of a single pole switch. The circuit breaker. Next, let's put the junction box where the connections of wires are being done. And now let's proceed to the actual wiring connection. And that's why we called it actual wiring diagram. From our source, the circuit breaker, line 1 source is connected to the line 1 load of the bulb. Next, line 2 load of the bulb is connected to the input terminal of the switch. Take note, the single pole switch has only two terminals, the input and the output terminal. Let's continue. The output terminal of the switch is connected to the line 2 source. And for the last part, the wires from the junction box, let's put a line to represent the connection of two wires and covered by an electrical tape. Alright, and this is the accurate actual wiring diagram of one bulb controlled by one single pole switch. And that's all for today. Please click the subscribe button. Thank you very much and God bless everyone.